Hello everybody and welcome back to another Rockabilly guitar lesson. And this one is taken directly from my brand new Udemy course, which is called the Sun Records Rockabilly Guitar Solos Part 1. It's running for a week now, and I would have loved to promote it earlier, but this happens when the low budget power supply loses the fight against a high quality, ultra children proof power outlet. So yeah, I was offline for a while, but back on the air now, and I'll show you the intro and the first solo of Get It Off Your Mind right here on YouTube. For tabs and gem tracks, you can go to my Patreon page, and for the whole course, I put a link in the description below, so you can pick up the whole Udemy course for just $12.99 until Sunday. And you can see I bought me a brand new guitar for this course to get the right Roland James sound and feel, and I think it also works nice for the next course I have planned, and I think you can guess who's going to be featured in that one. But now let's jump right into it. Here's the intro and the first solo from Get It Off Your Mind. Get It Off Your Mind by Kenny Parchman is in the key of D, and it starts like this. So you start on the 15th and 16th fret, B and E string, followed by the 12th fret, and then you add your ring finger onto the B string in the end. Then you move down and play 12 and 13, followed by the 10th fret, adding the ring finger here on the 12th fret. And then you play this neat little run. So you start on 13 G string, and you want to play the B string as well, with a nice dissonant sound. And then you move down chromatically to 12 and 11, and then back up. And then last run, play 13 again on the G string, together with a B string, and just the B string, 10th fret, 12th fret, and the top two strings on the 10th fret. And the whole intro. And the first solo starts like this. So you play the same phrase twice, starting on 12 and 13, B and E string, followed by the 10th fret, and you add your ring finger on 12 just like in the intro. And then the next bar, just back and forth between 12 and 13 and 10. And then the next bar, a little bit tricky with the timing. Still back and forth between 12 and 13 and 10. Then I have my ring finger on the B and G string, 12th fret, and the index is on the 10th fret. And then I slide into the 12th fret, like this. Yeah, it's all back and forth between 12th and 10th fret. And then you play the same note twice, but on two different strings here. Back and forth between 10 on the E string and 15 on the B string. Then index goes to the 12th fret, E, B and G string, and the ring finger is on 14, the B string. And you play then you move the same shape here down 2 frets and play. One more time. So starting here. And then the last run, you know already from the intro. And here's the whole first solo slowly for you.